So here's an example of an I-867A record of sworn statement at a U.S. international airport, where a CBP officer is asking this client who was coming in on a B2 visa that, according to our records, you have applied for a diversity visa 8 times. Can you explain this? And then the person, or the foreigner or foreign national, he was ultimately put in expedited removal, meaning that even though he had come in on a B2 visa, he was returned on the next flight to his country. He wasn't even allowed to enter the US. They had also found evidence that he had tried to work or was trying to get a green card. And so this was evidence of immigrant intent, which was contrary to the purpose of his B2 visa, which at all times must remain that the applicant is coming in for a short period of time. So if you're coming in through the airport and they find that there's anything you're trying to do to remain in the US, then they could put you in expedited removal and then ban you if necessary. But generally, putting you in expedited removal means that once you are moved from the inspection point to the secondary inspection, where you have a private room with an officer, and then you're asked all these questions, if the answers don't go well, then they will put you on the next flight back to your country, right? So you will not even be allowed to step into the US. And so this is, again, just showing you that, yes, you can apply for the visa lottery, but a CBP officer or a customs officer could use that as additional evidence of your intention to become a lawful permanent resident. So just be mindful of this, or just be aware of this, and then be guided.
This video is not meant to discourage you or to dissuade you or to prevent you from applying for the American visa lottery, because listen, that could be where your breakthrough could come from, or that could be the starting point of your American dream. So because I have shared several videos educating you guys and everyone on how to be successful with the visa lottery process, from registration step by step, how to be eligible. I've shared all these videos just to guide you throughout the process. But I felt that I would be doing you a disservice, or I felt like it was my legal and moral duty perhaps to also let you know that I had seen cases where people had some type of issue just based on the fact that they had applied for the visa lotteries, a number of times. And so I just wanted to let you know, give you the education, and then you make your own call. You decide on what to do with the information. Okay.
All the best. Follow me for more.